This active washing machine cleaner is really great. It comes in 24 tablets that you can use. Pretty simple to do. All you really have to do is open up the tablet, drop it into the bottom of your washing machine if you have a top loader, and then press the clean wash function if you have it available, and press start on it. That's it. Very simple, and let it run. And as your machine goes through cycles in, and that's it. When it's done, your inside will look nice and clean and smell a lot better. So you want a clean washing machine? Check out these tablets.